Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, power button board, display panel assembly, and display panel. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the webcam and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the rubber cable guide from the left display panel hinge. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead and one 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Partially close the left display panel hinge and remove it from the alignment pins and retention clips on the display enclosure. Remove the left display panel hinge. Reverse this procedure to install the left display panel hinge.